When we have planned to develop a plastic part, the most important thing is to do cost estimation. So if there's a system or software can easily estimate the cost of plastic parts, it will be of great help. For example, if I want to estimate the injection molding cost of the coffee machine water tank and its cover in my hand, I only need to measure the length, width, height, and weight of this part and know its raw materials. I can easily calculate the part cost. So Sino Mould developed a useful automatic quotation system on its website. With easy operation, people can conveniently get a quick online quotation for plastic parts. Let's do the practical test.
Now we have the basic data for this part. Length 237 mm, width 58 mm, height 215 mm, weight is 418 grams. Raw material is PC. Mold cavity number means how many pieces you will get in a single mold opening. Here we choose 2 cavity, and initially plan this order quantity with 10,000. Color is transparent. Thus we complete the most basic information. Clicking the calculation button, we can get the unit FOB price $3.7 US. If want the more accurate estimation cost of the part, let's go ahead filling more details, such as the part tolerance and the thickness at the part thickest area. Thickness will affect the molding cycle. In addition, we can estimate the packaging cost and the sea freight for you. You only need to input the stacking situation of the products and the continent of destination. Let's further estimate the black ABS cover. We fill in the length 239 mm, width 45 mm, height 30 mm, and weight 29 grams. Plastic ABS, 8 cavity, and plan this order quantity with 20,000. Choose 1 color. Normal injection process. Packaging weight with PP bag and cotton. If part tolerance plus or minus 0.1 mm, the thickest area is 2.5123 mm. Let's get the unit FOB price $0.18 US. Choose the stackability as good. Select destination as Europe. Immediately we get the CNF price $0.2 US. If you need a formal quotation sheet, please fill in with your contact information, and the detailed quotation will be sent to your mailbox in a few seconds. More useful functions are on the way. Stay tuned for new updates. If this automatic quotation system is helpful to you, you can collect this page and share it with your friends. Hopefully, it can help more people in plastic injection molding industries.